individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Slide your legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Give a complete stretch to the body. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Turning to one side. Come up. Cross leg sitting position for initial prayer. Check your spine. Comfortably straight. Shoulders relaxed. Hands in chin mudra on your knees. 3 times Om. Inhale deeply. Om. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सद्गुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय। Welcome you all in the beginners yoga class. Let's remind our yoga mool mantras. First, do according to your capacity, according to your strength, according to your health position. No overstretching, no over effort, no over exertion. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, come down, release the pose and relax in Shavasana. And no over pampering of your body. If you can do must. If you can stretch 5%, try to stretch 7 or 8%. And always be with the breath. No wavering of mind. Try to always be with the breath, always be with the practice. So let's begin our class as usual with deep breathing. Long inhalation, comfortable, slow exhalation. When we inhale, our abdomen comes forward, abdomen comes out, and when we exhale, abdomen comes back to the spine, comes in. So first, correct your posture, back comfortably straight, shoulders are relaxed. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Inhale, exhale. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set, inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relax your mind. Relax your shoulders. Relax your spine. Relaxed breathing. For the long round of Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Get ready for the Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply and hold the breath for 30 seconds comfortably. Draw your mind inward. Focus between your eyebrows. Spine straight. Exhale. Release your breath completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Mind, body completely relaxed. Now get ready for the stretching. Stretch your legs forward. Lift your right leg just 3 inches up and stretch the toes down. Release up, toes down, up, toes down, up. Release. Now lift your left leg just 3 inches up. Stretch the toes down, up, toes down, up, toes down, up. Now inhaling, stretch your both toes down. Stretch the both toes down. Feel the stretch into the calf muscles, into the hamstrings, hips and thighs. Feel the stretch. Exhale, release. Once again, stretch your both toes down, toes touching to the floor, and feel the stretch into your legs, calves, knees. Feel. Exhale, release. Last time, once again, stretch the toes down. Breathing comfortably. Release. Come up. Now comfortably stretch the toes opposite the side. Relax your legs, feet. Join the legs. Again, opposite the side. Join the feet. Opposite the side. Join. Now rotate your ankles first to the right side. On 1. On 2. On 3. On 4. In the center. To the left. On 1. On 2. On 3. On 4. In the center. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Shake your legs. Release the tension of your feet, fingers, toes, legs. Release. Release. Join the soles of the feet. Hold your toes. Stretch your spine straight and flap your knees up and down. Spine straight. Shoulders are relaxed. Keep on flapping your knees comfortably. Release. Hold your knees. Stretch them down. Stretch them up to the chest. Down to the floor. Lift them up to the chair. Down to the floor. Lift them up. Hold your knees. Interlock the fingers. Wrap your arms around. Stretch your spine straight. Now chin down to the chair. Chin up to the ceiling. Down. Up. Down. Up. In the center. Look to the right. Look to the left. Right. Left. Right. Left. In the center. Relax, comfortable breath. Look back over the right shoulder. To the left shoulder. Right shoulder. Left shoulder. In the center. Release your legs. Comfortable sitting position. Now rotation of the neck. First forward. Right. Back. Left. Om 2. Om 3. In the center. Now opposite side. To the left. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. In the center. Relax, comfortable breath. Lift your right shoulder up. Down. Left shoulder up. down, right shoulder up, down, left shoulder up, down, lift your both shoulders up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, release. Hands on the knees, rotate the shoulders, release all the tension of your neck area, of the shoulders, of the upper back. Release. Relax, comfortable breath. Relax your spine. Relax. Get ready for the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Right hand, Vishnu Mudra. First two fingers are folded down. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Place your hands on your knees. Breathe from both your nostrils. Inhale. Exhale. Now place the right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left. On 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostril. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostril. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Focus between your eyebrows. Spine straight. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the pose. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Last round. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your hand. Eyes closed. Mind inward. Feel internal peace. Relaxed mind. Feel your breathing. Feel the inhalation, exhalation. Now, keeping your eyes closed, stretch your legs forward and lie down on your back. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart. Oh. Legs, feet are together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen your spine. Stretch the whole body. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release, turning to one side. Come up. First sitting position and then come up to the standing position. Feet apart. Comfortable standing position. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Arms relaxing along the body. Neck, shoulders are relaxed. Mentally get prepared for the sun salutation. For the first round, feet together. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed, count your breath, feet together, legs together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your hands, arms up, look up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch the right leg back. Look up. Retain the breath. Left leg back, push your position, look forward. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, forward and up. Cobra position. Exhale, inverted V. Push your heels down. Feel the stretch into your calf muscles. Breathe comfortably. Now inhale, left knee down, right foot forward. Push your left thigh on the mat and look up. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together, palms are on the mat. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, release, arms down. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch the left leg back, arch back. Retain, right leg back, push your position, look forward. Good plank position. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Sashtan pranam. Inhale, head up, chest up. Look to the ceiling. Exhale. Heels down, the inverted V position. Feel the stretch into your calf. Inhale. Right knee down and left foot forward. Look up. Push your right thigh down. Exhale, right foot forward. Palms on the mat. Inhale, come up. Hands, arms stretching up. Exhale, release your arm. For the second round, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Upper arms touching to the ears. Look up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch the right leg back. Look up. Retain. left leg back, push your position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Toes are touch, heels are touching upward. Inhale, cobra position, arch back. Exhale, heels down, inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward. Look up, arch back, push your left thigh, knee on the mat. Inhale, left foot forward. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, arms down. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Retain, right leg back, push your position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come up, cobra position, arch back. Focus on the lower back. Exhale, inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhale, right knee down, left foot forward between your hands. Exhale, right foot forward. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Feet apart. Relaxed breathing. Relax your back spine. Relax the shoulder. Relax your head. Back of the head, back of the neck. Relax. Now for the third round. Feet are together. Inhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Retain, left leg back, push your position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, forward and the cobra position, look up. Exhale, heels down, inverted V. Inhale, left knee down, right foot forward. Stretch your left leg back. Exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Retain, right leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, forward, head up, chest up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Look up. Exhale, right foot forward, feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Release your arms. Feet apart. Slow down your breath. Completely relaxed breathing. Relax your mind. Relax the body. Relax the back of the neck. Relax your spine. Relax your both legs and both feet. Relax. Oh, join your feet. Stretch your arms forward. Come up on the toes. Slowly, gently, come down, down, down. And lie down on your back. Legs apart, arms apart. Eyes closed. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Feel your legs, feet completely relaxed. Feel the spine, shoulders relaxed. Breathing relaxed, relaxed. Watch your breath. Feel the inhalation. Feel exhalation. Feel relaxed, comfortable breath. Relax. Om. Legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Give a complete stretch to the body. Complete stretch. Legs, feet, spine, arms, hands, stretch. Exhale, release. Get ready for the single and double leg raising. Arms beside the body. Bend your knees. Inhale, lift the right leg straight up. Heel stretch up. Toes stretch down. Feel the stretch into the right leg. Back of the right leg. Feel the complete stretch. Exhale, release. Right leg down. Inhale, lift the left leg straight up. Toes down, heels up. Feel the stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg straight up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, down. Now stay there. Now cycling with the right leg. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, down. Now cycling with the left leg on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, release. Now cycling with both legs on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, and release. Now rotation of the leg, first with the right and first to the right side. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Release. Now to the left side, right leg and to the left side on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Release. Now left leg to the right on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Release. Now to the left on 1, on 2, On 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, release. Both legs are bent and relaxed. Get ready for the double leg raising. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Stretch the toes down, stretch the heels up. Feel the stretch. Exhaling down, bend your knees. Inhale, lift the both legs straight up. Stretch the heels up, toes down. Exhale, bend the knees, feet down. Once again, inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Stretch the heels up, stretch the toes down. Feel the stretch. Exhale, release. Last time, inhale, stretch the both legs straight up. Separate your feet. Separate the legs. Now feel the stretch into your hips, thighs. Exhaling, join the feet and bend your feet down. Release your legs, legs apart, arms apart. Relax your body, relax. Now, bend your knees, feet apart, arms sideways. Bend your knees to the right. Left knee to the right ankle and look to the left. Breathe comfortably. Comfortable breathing, stay there. Feel the stretch to your spine, to the lower back. In the center. Now stretch the knees to the left. Right knee to the left ankle, look to the right. Comfortable breathing there. Inhaling up. Exhaling, knees to the right, face to the left. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling in the center, knees to the left, face to the right. Right ear to the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Feel the stretch into your spine. Twist into your spine. In the center, release. Bend your knees, hug to the chest. Interlock the fingers. Wrap around your arms to the knees. Breathing comfortably. Inhale, head up, chest up. The small ball of the body. Exhale, release, head down, chest down. Release your hands and arms. Lift your legs straight up. Stretch the toes down, stretch the heels up. Exhaling comfortably down. Legs apart, arms apart. Relax your body, relax your mind. Feel your spine, feel the lower back completely relaxed. Push your back of the neck on the mat. Exhale, release, relaxed breathing. Om. Join your feet, legs together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your spine up, hands, arms stretched up. Exhale, release your arms down, turning to one side. Come up and get ready for the Sarvang and Vipreet Karni Asana. Drag your mat towards the wall. Lie down on your back, hips very near the wall. Walk your feet up. Rest your heels on the wall. Arms are resting beside the body. First of all, breathe comfortably. Feel the breath completely relaxed. Stretch your calves, stretch your hips and thighs. Relax, comfortable breath. Release your tiredness if your legs, feet are tired. Relax your upper body. Relax your spine. Relax. Stretch your toes up. Release. Stretch the toes up. Release. Stretch the toes up. Release. Stretch your toes down towards the body. Release. Stretch the toes down. Release. Now slide the right leg down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, slide the right leg down. Inhale up. Slide the left leg down. Inhale up. Slide the left leg down. Inhale up. Stretch your legs, feet apart. Breathe comfortably. Join your legs and feet. Now for the Sarvangasana, press your feet. Press the wall with the feet. Inhaling, hips, chest up. Feet flat on the wall. And support your back with your hands. Elbows are on the mat. Palms are holding the back. Feet are pushing the wall. Upper neck, back of the neck, resting on the mat. And push the back of the neck to the mat. Push it tightly. Pushing the back of the neck on the mat, release the tension of the neck. You feel comfortable if you are paining in your neck. Relaxed, comfortable breath. To release the pose, step your feet down. Come down, 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 down. Hips, chest on the mat. Join the soles of the feet. Hold your knees and stretch your knees back. Stretch the knees back. Feel the stretch. Push your spine, lower back on the mat. Push it tightly. Exhale, release. Feet down, drag your body up. Come up. Now bending to one side, come up. Sitting position and then drag your mat again to the previous place and lie down on your back. Bend your knees for the bridge. Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees, arms beside the body, chin to the chest. Inhale, lift your hips, chest up. Push your palms on the mat. Push the lower back of the neck on the mat. Inhaling, push your hip, chest more up. Make a bigger, longer bridge. Higher, longer bridge. Support your back. Push your elbows down. Push your feet on the mat. Lift your hips, chest more up. Exhaling down. Release. Stretch your legs, feet forward. Get ready for the fish pose. Hide your arms under the body. Elbows touching each other. Legs and feet are together. Inhale, head up, chest up. Come up on your elbows. Look to the toes. Exhale, drop the crown of the head on the mat. Look back. Push your elbows down. Breathe comfortably, arching your back. To release the pose, head up, chest up. Look to the toes. Exhale, release, come down. Release your hands, arms. Make the fists, rotate them. Touch your fingers and drop. Bend your head to the right, head to the left. Again, right and left. Relax in Shavasana, legs apart, arms apart, palms facing upward. Relaxed body, relaxed mind, relaxed breathing. Om, legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position. Relaxed breathing. Spine straight. Shoulders relaxed. Stretch your arms forward. Squeeze the fingers. Release. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Make the fists. Rotate them. Upward. Big rotation. Rotation upward. Now stretch the arms sideways. Stretch the arms forward. Sideways. Forward. Sideways. Forward. Sideways. Forward. Sideways. Stretch the arms up. Join the hands. Sideways. Up. Sideways. Up. Sideways. Up. Sideways. Release. Right hand on the mat. Lift your left arm. Stretch up. Stretch. Complete stretch. Exhale. Bend to the right. Look to the left armpit. Keep on stretching your left arm to the right. Release. Now left hand on the mat. Stretch your right arm up. Lift your right arm up. Complete up. Exhale. Bend to the left. Look to the right armpit. Keep on stretching to the left. Feel the stretch to the right side. Inhaling up, release. Stretch your legs forward. Separate your legs, spine straight. Hands on the thighs. Slowly, gently slide your hands, arms forward to the toes. Keep on stretching forward wherever till you feel comfortable. Keep on stretching your hands, arms, stretching spine. Comfortably stretch forward, look forward. Now slowly, gently slide back to the thighs. Relax breathing. Once again, slide your hand, fingers forward towards the toes. Keep on stretching your spine forward. Relaxed breathing according to your comfort. Come forward. Stretch your spine forward. Feel the stretch into your spine. Relaxed breathing. Now slowly, gently come back and hands on the thighs. Release. Now hands on your back. Join your legs and feet. Drop your head back. Legs, feet together and inhaling. Lift your hips, chest up, toes down. Toes are stretching forward on the floor. Keep your hips, chest up. Exhale, release. Lie down on your chest. Relax in Makarasana, the pillow of your hand. Look to the right. Toes together, heels apart. Relax and comfortable breathing. Om. For the cobra, palms underneath the shoulders, forehead on the mat. Separate your legs and feet. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Stretch your arms straight. Look up. Arch your spine back. Pressing your palms on the mat, looking up. Breathing comfortably. Legs, feet are relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Focus still the on your lower back. Focus on your lower back. Look back. Exhale. Release the pose. Relax in Makarasana. This time look to the left. Arms forward. Separate your legs and feet. Forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling. Head up, chest up. Right arm and left leg up. Right arm, left leg up. Look up. Exhale. Release. Forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling. Head up, chest up. Left hand and right leg straight up. Look up. Exhale. Release. Forehead on the mat. Comfortable breathing. Now inhaling, head up, chest up. Both arms and both legs, hips, thighs up. Look up. Exhale. Release. Once again, arms, hips, Thighs, legs, feet up. Exhale, release. Forehead on the mat, palms underneath the shoulders. Inhale, head up, chest up. Come up on your toes. Come up on your hands and on the knees. Tabletop position. Exhaling, chin to the chest and look to the knees. Relaxed breathing. Stay there. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Look up to the ceiling. Exhaling down. Look to the knees. Round your back. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Look up to the ceiling. Exhaling, release, relax, comfortable breath. Comfortable sitting position. For the half final twist, right hand on the left knee. Rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your right hand on your back. Look back over the left shoulder. Keep on looking back. Feel the twist into your spine. Relaxed breathing. Release the pose. Look forward. Change the side. This time, left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hand on your left, on your back. Look to the right shoulder. Look back to the right shoulder. Breathing comfortably. Relax. To release the pose, look forward. Comfortably come up. Standing position. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms up. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your upper body up. Exhale. Come down. Inhaling again. Come up on your toes. Stretch your hands, arms up. Exhaling. Release. Come down. Once again. Come up. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms, hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Release your hands and arms. Now start walking. Gentle walk. Slowly, slowly. Prepare your body for the walk. Faster. Little fast. More fast. According to your comfort. Do your walk fast and fast and fast. Slow down, slightly slow down. Slowly, slowly come down and release. Come up on the top of the mat. Feet apart. Padasana, standing forward bend. Stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right, from the left. Stretch. Exhaling, bend forward and come down. Place your hands according to your comfort. on the thighs or on the knees or on the feet, or you can place your hands on the mat. Relaxed breathing. No overstretching, just according to your comfort. Be there, breathe comfortably. To release the pose, hang your arms loose, slowly, gently, come up, up. Now for the counter pose, hands, arms on your back and arch yourself back. Look up to the ceiling. Exhale. Release. Now for the triangle pose, feet 3-4 feet apart. Right foot to the right side, left slightly inside. Set your arms sideways. Lift your left arm up and right arm down. Stretch your left arm up. Exhaling, bend to the right. Look to the left armpit. Keep on stretching your left arm. Breathing comfortably. Inhaling up. Change the side. Left foot to the left side. Right slightly inside. Stretch your arm sideways. Lift your right arm up and left arm down. Stretch your left arm. Complete stretch. Exhale, bend to the left. Keep on stretching your right arm to the left. Breathing comfortably. Inhaling, come up. Release the pose. Comfortably join your feet and come up on the top of the mat. Stretch your arms forward. Come up on your toes, slowly, gently. Exhaling, bend your knees, come down and lie down on your back. For the final relaxation, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. First, slow down your breath. Breathing comfortably. Relax, comfortable breath. Chin to the chest, palms upward. Keep your eyes closed for the physical relaxation. Lift your feet just 6 inches outside the toes, heels, set. Exhale, drop. Inhaling, lift your hips up. Exhaling, drop. Inhaling, push your lower back on the mat, push it tightly. Exhale, release. Lift the chest up. Exhale, release. Inhaling, lift the ears up. Lift the shoulders up to the ears. Shoulders stretch down to the feet. Shoulders stretch up to the ceiling. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, shrink your facial muscles. Make ugly, lemony, one-pointed face. Shrink it tightly. Exhale, release. Stretch out the facial muscles. Open your mouth. Take out the tongue. Open your eyes. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Now, breathing comfortably. Start relaxing all your body parts one by one. healthy person. I have no tensions, no worries. I am completely blessed. Oh. Legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your spine, stretch your arms, stretch the fingers, stretch your feet, stretch, stretch, stretch. A complete final stretch to the body. Stretch. Exhaling, release your arms down. Turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position for the final prayer. Back straight, shoulders relax. 3 times Om, then concluding prayer together. ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
आप देख रहे हैं खबर फास्ट, तेज खबर।